Hello you all, this is Group 15. We are going to present a keypad based security system using an embedded system. Automation increases in all the sectors day by day. We know automation reduces human work properly. Technology is mostly used in either the security world or for the human convenience. One can find the roots to the need for any piece of technology in these two fields. Our project somewhat joins two. Everyone has the need for some form of security, and most of these use some type of a key. It could be a card or a physical key. Even though having a physical object as a key makes it that much more secure, it also makes it that much less convenient. In places where you don't need the highest form of security and are willing to have more convenience with the slight risk of getting hacked or attacked, our project is the solution. You don't need any form of key or anything on you. All you need to know is the password and you can unlock it. And the best part? This is completely customizable to your job requirement. Remember to get password right in 3 tries. This project is just the core part of the keypad based security system. This can further be given many more modules and parts to extend this system. For example, connect the motor to a doorknob or anything else to produce movement. Connect the Arduino to a buzzer to create noise on 3 wrong attempts. Add an RFID reader or biometric scanner to add another stage to the security system. Amongst all these, we have done by connecting the Arduino to a buzzer to create noise on 3 wrong attempts. Now, without wasting any time, let's move towards our actual project. This is the circuit diagram of keypad based security system. Let us look at components that we use here. First is this LCD display, which is used for displaying message or pin. Then this is the Arduino Uno R3, the microcontroller which is used for literally everything. The word Uno means one in Italian and was chosen to mark the initial release of Arduino software. Then this is servo motor, which is the output device that is actually doing work. Here is the piezo, which is used for producing sound. And this is keypad, used for entering the password. And finally, these wires and resistor used in various ways. Let's move towards our actual demonstration. Let's start with simulation. Welcome master processing, enter password. In scenario 1, let's say I am the owner of the house, so I know the correct password. Shush, the correct password is 2009. Don't tell this to anyone. So when I enter the pin as 2009, the door gets safely unlocked and it will be unlocked for total 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, it will automatically again ask for pin. Now let's see the second scenario. In this scenario, I am the thief who is trying to enter the house. But to enter the house, I will first have to enter the pin here. Now I am trying to put a random combination of 4 digits here. Incorrect pin. Let's attempt one more time. Again incorrect pin. Now I will try again. This is my third attempt. So after 3 incorrect attempts, it starts buzzing and display thief thief on LCD panel. This protects the house from getting. We have seen the demonstration of this security system. As I said earlier, Arduino performs so many tasks. But who commands Arduino? Yes, you guessed it right. It's code. Now let's look at the code of this system. Here we start by defining the various libraries for the different components we are using in this project, like LCD, keypad and motor. And here we have defined the various variables that we will use in the program. In this part we declare or set the main master pin of the lock. As you know, we set 2009 as a pin. Next, here we have made the keypad for entering pin, as you can see, with 4 rows and 4 columns. Here in the setup, we have initialized the motor, the LCD cursor and print the welcome statement.
We have also used some loops here. This loop is about if the person put right password, then door gets unlocked. And this second loop is for the piezo actually. If person fails to type correct pin, then buzzer will buzz and make noise along with thief message will display on the LCD panel. And this part will keep check on wrong and right attempt counter of the person. These were the some very crucial areas of. This project tries to find a balance between security and convenience. However, it is a well-known fact that to give a balance between two things, one thing must reduce its value. In this case, convenience is added with a little loss on the security side. This project by itself has the following security threats. Anyone with the password can enter if the password is not changed regularly. If the attacker could get access to the Arduino by any means, it is possible to open the door by changing the code. Any door is not invulnerable to brute force. If the attacker has the tools, he can easily bypass the security system entirely. This system does not stop anyone from entering with the user. This project is not meant to be used by itself in the current stage. There is still a lot of scope for improvement. Yet again, this is a convenient system for places where security is not much of a concern and convenience plays a major role. The usage of our system is not just limited to door locks. It can also be used in electronic lockers. Electronic lockers make sure that no unwanted intruders can dare to touch your valuables, money, and important documents from your phone. This Xavier appliance saves you the pain of carrying around a locker key while you are out at an event. Many mechanical lockers can be lock-picked, but electronic lockers are even more secure as there is simply no access to the lock. Burglar alarms can be easily set in such a system. For example, in our anti-theft security system, we have installed a piezo buzzer that buzzes after 340 attempts by the user. We can also aim to create a connection that if there is any suspicious activity around the safe, for example, someone trying to steal it as a whole, the sensors will detect it and a connection will intimate the security guards immediately. Or if it is a legal thing, it will contact the police immediately. We have not given any intimation of how many chances are left so that it doesn't alert the burglar. And we can also install a camera to click a picture of who logs in and logs out of our device. We can choose to vary the security levels as per our needs, so there is also a scope of creating an altered electronic system. Thank you so much for patiently listening to the video.